Bigotry of Shiv Sena has been caught on tape. Upset over not being served food of their choice in the Maharashtra Southern in New Delhi, Shiv Sena MPs barged into the kitchen and targeted the catering supervisor. In this video that we are just about to play, we show you how an arrogant Sena MP, Rajan Vichare, forcefully stuffs a chapati into the supervisor's mouth, despite him repeatedly protesting and saying that he is on a fast. Can their cleanliness excuse justify this harassment? Shouldn't the Shiv Sena apologize?